With the recent upgrade of Android to version 13, you find that once you try to view a file like this, you find this message. What you can simply do to resolve this is to click on the left side which says Not Now, and then you go to WhatsApp on your home screen. When you see WhatsApp, hold the WhatsApp icon. You can see the info button to your right hand side. Click on the info button, and you can see a long list of options. Click on the second one that says Permissions. Once you're there, so you can scroll down and click on Photos and Videos. And you can see two options, Allow and Don't Allow. Currently is at Don't Allow. Click on the Allow button, and then you confirm. Once that's done, guys, you're able to view any picture you would like to. Now we're back to my WhatsApp and I can view this clearly. So that's how you resolve it. Thank you for watching.